Good morning everyone. My name is Ishangar. I study in grade 1. My school name is Presidium. My poem is about Mother Nature. Nature is a calming and peaceful world. It is mixture of trees, animals and birds. Nature is so beautiful. It blows our mind. Nature, you can lose yourself in it or find yourself at the same time. We have to call it Mother Nature, but sadly, all we do a great torture on it. The earth is my home. I promise to keep healthy and beautiful. I will love the land. I will be a defender. I will save the earth by recycling the things and planting more trees. More trees. Let's protect Mother Nature. Mother Nature. For our community and show our humanity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.